Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla went up more than 3% right now. It is going up nicely. It is still a classic crystal clear bull trend. In the end, it seems Tesla indeed just performed a normal harmless pullback to the previous support level, and we are reacting nicely, just resuming the bullish sentiment. Is there any top sign in Tesla right now? Is there any bearish structure? Is there anything indicating that Tesla could possibly, potentially do a pullback in the next few days, in the next few weeks, or even reverse the trend? Or will Tesla just keep breaking its resistances and going up like crazy? Well, we'll see in this video. Just first remember, my dear friends, to click on the like button to support this channel and subscribe if you're new around here, because I'm here every single day keeping you guys updated on Tesla, NIO, AMD, Apple, and many other stocks. So I think you guys are going to enjoy our community. Now, if you ask me, Tesla today hit the target I set on my newsletter, on the Market Dive daily newsletter. I really recommend you guys subscribing my newsletter, because every single day I give you guys more further analysis on Tesla, SPY, NVIDIA, other stocks that are outside our radars. For instance, on Tesla over here, I set a target at 921. Today we are closing at 927. I set this target on August 8th. Why? Why did you set this target on August 8th on your newsletter, Nathan? I mean, on August 8th, we are over here, right? This is August 8th candle. Well, but why? Because Tesla did a gap above the price over here. And remember, according to my methodology, Tesla always fills the gaps that appear above its price. And when we see an open gap above the price, usually we can work with it as a target. And we did this gap over here. We hit this target today. So seriously, guys, I really recommend my newsletter if you want to have access to more analysis, premium analysis. Now that we hit our target, we even broke our target and hit the next resistance at 935 up here. Right now, Tesla is indeed trying to do a top sign. We hit the 935. See this line over here? It is working clearly as a resistance for us. It did work 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 4 times only today. It seems Tesla is indeed having a rough time in breaking this resistance. So what's next? I mean, is this a bad sign? No, it is not a bad sign. As far as I know, Tesla could just do a pullback to its 21 EMA in the 1 hour chart again. Just where is the here? Just to keep doing this, all right? Tesla is doing higher highs, higher lows. It is still a bull trend. So any pullback to the EMA or even to the previous resistance at $900 again must be considered as just a pullback and an opportunity to buy. All right, so right now a pullback is possible. Yes, I don't know if it's actually going to happen in the 1 hour chart at least, but if it happens, there is no reason to panic, because it will probably be just a harmless pullback. Now, if Tesla triggers a sharper pullback in the daily chart, we still have the 21 EMA working as a support level and the 842, which did work amazingly well as a support level on August 9. And at this point, it was previously a resistance on July 22 over here. So we have this dual support level to hold Tesla if Tesla corrects a little bit more sharply than expected. Okay, so, and in my humble opinion, if you ask me, it's going to be very hard for Tesla to lose all these support levels, the EMA in the 1 hour chart, the $900, the EMA in the daily chart, the 842 in the daily chart. So we have too many support levels to work with, and the trend is still clearly bullish. The volume is increasing nicely right now that we are going up again. So all of these indicates to me that yes, Tesla is still clearly bullish, and although we have a top sign, a possible top sign in the 1 hour chart, This is not a reason to believe that the bull trend is over, is done, or that we're gonna see a reversal right now. No, it is just a top sign, not a reversal, a bearish reversal structure. So even if we see correction, that's totally fine. Now, my original target is still the 955. Since we lack bearish structures, bearish indicators, I still see no technical reason to change my target at 955. It is very good that we just filled this gap. We hit the target I set on my newsletter. We hit the previous resistance at 935. Okay, that's great, but still, since the bias is still clearly bullish, the 955 is our next resistance to work with. If we analyze SPY just hit a technical resistance at 427. I set a target at 427 on my newsletter as well. I think it was on August 1 or on August 2, if I remember correctly, when we are still under the $415 over here. I set the target at 427. We hit our target today as well. But since we don't see any bearish candlestick pattern over here, there's nothing indicating that SPY is going to correct. In the 1 hour chart, we are also doing higher highs, higher lows. We don't see any bearish structure. QQQ is breaking the resistance at 329. It is breaking. Only if we see a very strong bearish candlestick pattern tomorrow or by Wednesday, closing under 329. And the same applies on SPY. If we see a very strong bearish candlestick pattern closing under 427, then okay, maybe Tesla is going to follow this movement and retest this dual support level in the daily chart as well. Only if this happens. Then, okay, maybe Tesla is going to do a double top chart pattern over here to the next support level. Yes, maybe. But guys, the future does not exist. Right now, we don't see any evidence of a top sign. So let's just assume the trend will persist until a crystal clear reversal occurs. Let's keep in mind what Peter Lynch once said. More money was lost trying to predict the next reversal, trying to predict the next correction, than actually during corrections themselves. So let's always keep that in mind. Trading is reactive, it is not predictive. Right now, let's just follow the trend. If we see a bearish structure going on, okay, I'm gonna warn you guys because I'm here every single day. So seriously, remember subscribing this channel. Probably you like it, the video, probably you like it, the content. So if you're still watching this, of course, so seriously consider subscribing, consider joining the Market Dive daily newsletter for premium analysis. I really appreciate your support, my dear friends. Thank you very much. See you guys tomorrow in this channel. Stay safe. Farewell.